Hello! Happy Mother's Day, Mama Lola! Happy Mother's Day po, Mama! I love you! Happy Mother's Day! O, say Happy Mother's Day to Mama Lola. Come. O, say your memory verse. Ephesians. O, go, Ephesians. O, go, Jojo, Ephesians.
Mama.
O, say to Mama Lola, Ephesians.
No.
Ay! Oh, boy. Hala. Hello! Happy Mother's Day, Mama! I love you! Happy Mother's Day! O, say Happy Mother's Day! O, tayo ka para makita ka ni Mama Lola. O, say Mama Lola.
Mama Lola.
O, tayo ka, tayo.
Mama Lola. Happy Mother's Day.
Yay! Thank you, Kuya David. O, let's say your memory verse. David, come. O, si Jojo. Mama Lola.
Mom. No.
Happy Mother's Day. Oh, you want to sing? Oh, let's sing. Oh, go sing. Happy Mother's Day. Oh, say your memory verse. David, nasa na si David? Oh, sige, debate na lang, Mama Lola. Happy Mother's Day. Okay, let's sing. Let's sing obedience. Ay. Bibian ni Baby Faith. Oh, go.
It's for you. No, it's for you.
David. Halika dito. David. Nawala na si David. Kuya David. Oh, let's sing. Let's sing, David. Where are you? Nawala na si Ay, palpak naman yung video natin. O, sige. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers
Mama.
in the Philippines. We love you. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. O, say Happy Mother's Day, Mama Lola. O, let's sing. O, kami na lang ni Baby Faith sing. Obedience is the very best way
No.
to show
Mama,
that
what's this?
you
Mama,
believe.
I will be best. Mama, I will be best.
Doing
I will
exactly
be best.
the Lord's command. Doing
Mama,
it happily.
That's me. That's. I will be
Naman
best.
sila sa mood kumanta. Kanina kanta kayo ng kanta. Ngayon na. Ayaw na nilang kumanta. Go. Ay, natanggal na yung headband ni Bebe Faith. Hindi ka na mukhang girl. Go. Ha? O, B, D, O,
No,
D, E, D,
No.
I,
No.
N, C,
I'm like Queen. Cat.
Obedience is the very best way to show. Ay, kinain na.
No.
To
Take it.
show
No.
that you believe.
No.
Ayaw man. David, come. Greet mo si Mama Lola. David.
Mama, I want to
David.
go. I want to go, Mama Yoya.
Oh, go. Sing to Mama Lola. Obedience is the very best way to show that you believe. Oh, go. Spell it. And you spell it. O, B, E, D, I, E, N, C, E. Obedience is the very best way to show that you believe. Antok naman si Bebe. O, David, come. O, say Ephesians. Ay, camera shy naman sila. O, babay na nga. O, go, Ephesians. O, si Baby Faith na lang. O, Baby. Ephesians 6:1. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, Or this is right. Ephesians 6:1. Okay, ano yung song natin? Obedience is the very best way to show that you believe. Doing exactly what the Lord's command. Doing it happily. Action is the key. Do it immediately. Immediately. Joy you will receive. Alright. Obedience is the very best way to show that you believe. And you spell it. And you spell it. O-B-E-D.
Mama, I was our peapots. I was our peapots.
I want to sing I'm a little teapot. Okay. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my hunger and here is my spout. When I get it stand up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Pour me out. Pour me out. Bye! O, bye na. Bye, Mama Lola. Happy Mother's Day. I love you. Mwah. Mwah. Kiss. Mwah. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day. God bless you. Happy Mother's Day to you. Bye.